and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. In today's episode, we are going to be making ghee or clarified butter. You ready to cook? I know I am. Let's start. Well, I got on my apron. Now to get started on the clarified butter. This is all that we need. We need a pot, a bowl and a spoon to skim with, some unsalted butter, you can use salted too, and a sealable container. Let's start. We're going to need to put all 4 of these sticks of butter into this pot. Whoopsies. They didn't want to be put in the pot. Though paper is made of fiber, I don't recommend you eat this. You'll probably get upset on me.
2 very boring minutes later. Four to 6 more days later.
This is how our butter looks. Remember how it looks because it'll get a lot different. Now we want to turn our burner on low. Now we wait for our butter to melt, but we don't want it to burn. Now we are just going to wait for the butter to melt. This is melting quite nicely. You see all those white spots? Those are the parts that we're going to skim off. They are called milk solids. It's gonna take a lot of time. You gotta learn to have patience, okay? We are nearly done. Just a little bit more to go. Now, since our ghee is ready and most of the white bits have been skimmed off, now, it's time to put our ghee into our heat-safe container to let it cool. I have it on a plate just in case if I spill it on the plate. And I'm also going to use a funnel. I'm going to ask an adult for help. Mama, can you please help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Mom.
Keep your fingers out of the way.
Oh, wait. This is way too much ghee. I think we made a bit too much. Now that we got this into the container, let's sit and wait until it's cool. And while we're waiting, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. This is our finished product, homemade ghee. It is super easy. You can impress your friends and family by making this. But remember, it has to be kept in the refrigerator. Kitten signing off.